Okay, Nova guys and gals, here's some of the items I'm going to use to do with the recondition. First, let me show you how it came out. No metal flash, anything like that. So I did the rust prep last night. I'm going to go ahead and I'll hit it with some Scotch-Brite again. I'll wipe it down with some acetone and get it ready for the first coat of paint. So, of course, I got acetone, I got my sponge. You know, it's not spraying on acetone willy-nilly in that. Of course, safety, got my little mask, got my rubber gloves. Gonna lay down a tarp. I got my heat gun to, help with dry time on paints and that, get some flashing going on. That's the metallic I plan on using to finish my tail lamp bezels. I'm gonna strip them down, polish them up, get them reconditioned. Got self-etching primer. I'll lay it in the first couple of coats, or see how the penetration is on that. And then I got a primer filler, so in case there's a high and low spot. Whoever put that panel on, they literally just slapped it on right out the box and threw it on the car. So I'm sure there's going to be a little bit of wonkiness going on. Scotch-Brite pad, different tapes. Got my butcher paper for blocking off some areas like the taillight housings and that. And I'm going to cover the bumper and whatnot, and of course my other tapes in that. And I'm going to use just a satin. It has a paint and primer on one, so I've had good results with that kind of paint. But again, it's basically what I had on hand, and so save me from running to the store, which some stores are open, some aren't, and I don't really do crowds. But anyways, I'll keep you posted. Unfortunately, I don't have a way to kind of record while in action, but pretty much it's just the standard practice as far as painting, prepping, and trying to get it done, let it sit overnight and cure it. But I'll get you posted as soon as I got some progress going forward.
Here's a look at everything taped off. Getting ready to go to town. I'll just check everything, make sure everything's laid down before getting it done. I've got air gaps in there where I can spray and it's not going to impact. It's not going to mess anything up. And dude, I'm not taking off a bumper. Ain't about that lifestyle right now. But shaking my primer right now, and like I said, if anything, I'll make a secondary pass and see what's up. And yep, I remembered to leave the taillight lamp off, so that will not get jacked up. Anyways, I'll give you a quick update. Thanks. Little painting on the Nova, making the most out of this COVID craziness. And what are you working on today? So, finishing up my back panel. Gonna sand it out and make it look all super sexy. So that's today's. What are you working on in your garage today? Sponsored by coronavirus. Here's a quick update on the initial run, or I should say the initial paint on it. Got a little bit of trash up in there, and if I was all attention deficit, I'd go back and knock it out. A couple of areas I need to touch back up, but again, this is my first go around, so good coverage. I mean, again, shout out to Rust-Oleum, they make a really good product. So again, they don't pay me a cent. I'm just saying, if you're stuck in the house and you need to do a quick project and get some decent results, and this is pretty legit. To touch something up for under $5 or whatever it is in your area for a can. So I'm pretty happy. So just waiting for the timer to go off and spray out another coat and see what's up. So far, looking like 2 coats will be a champ.